Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'll get to these beauties here in a minute, but now your name is Samantha. If you're new here, I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all social media platforms. So be sure if you aren't already, you do subscribe. I will be putting out content to help you guys make money, whether it's full-time, part-time, or maybe just some extra cash. I also share motivation, positivity, all that kind of stuff here on my channel, as well as Instagram. So be sure you do subscribe. So I had some awesome sales over the weekend on Facebook Marketplace. So I just want to discuss kind of what I did and how I acquired those sales. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and get started. Also, if you haven't, be sure you do like this and share it. It will help me, but I'll also be able to hopefully help somebody else too. So over the weekend, I decided to just take all my purses from Poshmark that have not been selling and cross-post them to Mercari and Facebook Marketplace. And I just want to share my results strictly for Facebook Marketplace. If you'd like another video over Facebook or over Mercari, I can do a separate video. Just make sure you drop that in the comments below. I did have some success over there too. But yeah, I want to show you guys what I sold, the purses, and all I simply did was literally take them and cross-post them from Poshmark directly to Mercari or directly to Facebook Marketplace. And I had sales within that first hour of items that have been in my Poshmark for months. And it was kind of items that was like, I don't need the storage space, so it was okay if they were listed and kind of just sitting there until they sold. But now it's kind of getting ridiculous. It's getting to the point where it's not just like, oh, it's sitting there, it'll sell. No, it's time to get these puppies gone or donate them. They're not bad purses or anything like that, but some of it I would say is bad buys. But yeah, this is an example of one item that has been sitting in my Poshmark closet. It's just like a Coach brown leather wallet. I'm not really sure. I'm surprised it's been sitting in Posh for so long, but I presume it's just due to fees. But yeah, I listed it on Facebook Marketplace, and this puppy sold for $30, and they paid for shipping. So that's not a bad deal, especially because I think I paid $3.99 for this one. Another item that sold is this fossil canvas handbag. This was actually given to me for free from my mom, and it'd been listed in my Poshmark closet for a while now, and it was one of those things like, oh, you know, it was given to me for free, so it's okay that it sits there. And yeah, it's okay for like a month or two, but this has been, I don't know, 4 months, maybe 5. So it was one of those things where it was time to get it gone. And surprisingly, I had a lot of feedback on Mercari and Facebook Marketplace. So it went ahead and sold on Facebook Marketplace pretty quick. I went ahead and took it down from Mercari right away so that I didn't have the issue of it double selling. And the next one here is this beautiful Coach leather, I don't know, like saddle bag, but it's beautiful. This one sold, it's gonna sell today. She messaged me and asked me to hold it, so I am gonna hold this one for her. So this is one that is gonna sell today. It hasn't sold yet. I have it listed for $59. And I actually only have invested into it $12.99. But it's been sitting, again, I bought it back in July, I want to say. And it was one of those where it's like, well, it's pretty. If it doesn't sell, I'll just keep it. But it's been sitting in my inventory. I don't even wear purses. So I'm like, might as well just cross-post it and get it out the door. So that's just what I did. And immediately someone was like, please hold it for me. You know, I really want this. I checked out her Facebook profile. She had quite a few feedback. So I'm willing to hold it for somebody who does have feedback. And was like, I'm buying it Monday at 1 p.m. And that's when somebody's like, hey, I'd like to buy this. Could you hold it for me? I'm like, well, you know, what date? You know, I don't typically hold. We'll just get to the bottom of it and say that. I don't typically hold. And then I had one more item sell, but it's already packaged up to be shipped. And it's another fossil wallet that was given to me for free. But hey, given to me for free, that means it doesn't really matter what it sells for. It sold for $25, which was amazing. So it's going out the door today to another home. And all of these, I posted 30 items to Mercari and Facebook Marketplace directly from my Poshmark. So they weren't new listings. It wasn't like no one's ever seen these from me before. No, they were all over on my Poshmark. I simply used List Perfectly and cross-posted them directly to Mercari and Facebook Marketplace, and had so much interest, and other items had ended up selling due to that reason as well. So it's kind of cool. I got to delete things from my Poshmark. I got to pull things from my inventory and get rid of them. And now I get to rehome items and make a little cash. So 30 items listed. I feel like having 6 sales from the 30 that I listed between Mercari and Facebook Marketplace was not bad for 30 items. What it took me about an hour and a half to cross-post them, just simply because I was watching TV, I was playing with my kids and stuff like that. So, you know, 30 items, selling 6, it's not a bad turnover, especially because it was just items that were just sitting in my closet, just stale. So don't be afraid to cross-post, guys. I'm actually going to venture off into Grailed and Depop. I haven't tried them yet, but I've been hearing good things, you know, mixed reviews. So I'm like, maybe I'll cross-post to there next. If you've tried them, I would love to know your tips. And if you haven't tried them and want to follow my journey, be sure you do subscribe. Well, that is all for today, guys. I just wanted to show you really fast what's been selling. And if you haven't been on Facebook Marketplace, get your butt over there and start selling, because I promise it will sell for you. Just watch for pricing, make sure you have good pictures and good customer service. Eventually stuff will sell. So if you're looking for more tips and tricks, subscribe. And until next time, guys, I hope you have an amazing day.